Yung motorboat na hinihintay niyo.
Salamat. Ano? Ang bihira naman ng Delboy ko. Durian! Hindi akin ito! Ito yung sa bigutilong yun ah! Hoy! Delboy! Delboy na pangit! Ikaw yun! Delboy na pangit! Oo!
Caucasian, no? Mabula-mula pa ako, tis eh.
Kilala mo ba yung guest nyo na may bigote? Yung sa may hotel?
Ah! Si ano yun eh?
Serious?
Si The Boy, yung retired policeman?
Ay! Mag-extend ako ng stay dito. Kung po pwede.
Ano po, ma'am? Mga ilang araw pa po.
Basta mag-extend ako ng stay.
Mga ilang araw pa nga po.
Tama na!
Lalaki yata yun.
Excuse me. Excuse me, can I sit here? Can I sit down here? Okay. You sit down. Sit down, Emox. Sorry. You see, I think we were not properly introduced a while ago, no? By the way, I'm Kismot.
Emox eh.
Emox. And you are? Fe. Nice name, Fe. Anong Felido mo? And you?
Lani.
Lani. Lani, nice name.
Ay, pwe.
Fe.
Fe.
Manny.
Lani.
Lani.
Lani, yes, Lani.
Tigas pang ng kamay mo.
That's my feet. Oh, my hand. By the way, we're here on a vacationing. We're from Manila. Many businesses. I'm tired, sick and tired of counting money. So, we think it's nice about to take a vacation, di ba? And about you, what are you doing here? Are you vacationing?
Hindi kami nagbabakasyon po dito. Pumunta po kami dito parang magtrabaho. Mga receptionist po kami.
Receptionist?
Oo.
What?
Sa beach.
Oh, it's a nice work. Ano yun, parang GRO?
Hindi GRO.
No, I was just asking.
Ano ka ba?
You know,
Eh.
yeah, beautiful bodies and beautiful ladies with a beautiful outfit like that needs to be protected. Yeah, trust us. You have to be protected.
Ano protected?
I mean, the protection. You need protection. 24-hour, all-day protection. Every day from the sun. Yeah.
Protection. Ano gagawin mo natin dito?
We are putting to their bodies. So their bodies is will protected. Come on! You get you plenty, yes. Wala na. Okay, wala na. Nice. Beautiful ladies. Now,
Here, for some
you
protection.
want some protection?
Ay, salamat Thank you. Wow.
Thank you ha. Pero teka lang, magsiswimming lang muna kami. Pero thank you.
Ganon. Kala ko kasi kami ang magpapahay.
Okay, alis na kami. Thank you ha. Magsiswimming lang kami. Sige. Bye.
You...
Kala ko naman papahay tayo ng gano'n.
Wala ko nga tayo maglalagay eh.
Do you know what that means?
Yeah.
You need protection. Let's go swimming.
It ain't no joke. I like to find
swerte namin.
Hello.
Yeah!
Ano ito?
Bakit maganda rin ako, no? Alam mo ba, ito yung suot ko na member ba ako ng Carlo Pignoni Models.
You know!